If your mind keeps circling something you can't change, replaying it, trying to fix what was never yours to fix, you're in the right place. For the next 10 minutes, I'll guide you to loosen your grip and find the quiet that comes from letting go. There's nothing to do but listen. So let's begin right now. A slow breath in and a long, soft breath out, letting your hands fall open. I'm so glad you're here. Let's set this down together. Let's begin with something you can feel in your own hand. Right now, make a fist and hold it tight. Squeeze a little harder and just notice. At first, it's easy. But if you had to hold this all day, it would start to ache. The hand would grow tired and sore and tight. And here is the thing to notice. Your clenched fist changes nothing outside of it. It doesn't fix anything. It doesn't hold anything. It only tires the one who is clenching. Now, let the hand open slowly and feel the relief, the ease that comes the moment you stop gripping. So much of our stress is a clenched fist of the mind, gripping what we cannot control, other people, and what they think, and what they do, the past, which is already finished, and the future, which has not arrived. We hold it all tightly, as if gripping harder could change it. But it never does. It only tires the one who holds. Letting go does not mean you stop caring. And it does not mean giving up. There are things you can change. And for those, you act. But so much of what we carry is simply not ours to control. And letting go is only this: opening the hand so you stop hurting yourself with the grip. You set the weight down, not because it doesn't matter, but because you were never meant to carry what isn't yours. So that is our practice today. To find what we've been gripping and gently open the hand. So let us begin. Find a position that feels steady and supported. Let your feet rest flat or settle into your seat, and let your hands rest, palms open, and turn gently upward, resting on your knees. An open hand, nothing to hold. Close your eyes softly. Take a slow breath in through the nose and a longer breath out, letting your shoulders fall. Again, breathe in and out, slower still. Now, let your attention move through the body, softening whatever is holding on. Soften your forehead and the space between your eyebrows. Let your jaw unclench, your face grow easy. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let your arms grow heavy and your hands stay open and soft. Feel your chest rising and falling on its own without your effort. Your stomach soft, your back long and supported, and feel the ground holding all of your weight completely. You do not have to hold yourself up. It is already done for you. There is nothing to grip right now, nothing to solve in this moment. Just your breath moving and your hands open. Now, gently bring to mind one thing you've been holding, something that weighs on you, that you cannot control. Perhaps it's what someone else did, or said, or might do. Perhaps it's something from the past, or a worry about what may come. You don't need to solve it. Just notice that you've been gripping it. And as you breathe in, acknowledge it honestly. This is real, and it is heavy. And now, as you breathe out, let the hand open and say to yourself gently, "This is not mine to control." Breathe in and breathe out. I can let this be. You are not pushing it away, and you are not holding it tight. You are simply letting it rest in an open hand. If the grip returns, and it will, that's all right. Each time you notice, you simply open the hand again. This is the whole practice. Not forcing, not fixing, only opening again and again until it becomes easy. Rest here with open hands and a lighter heart. There is nothing more to do now. Just rest here with open hands and an open heart. Whatever you are holding, it can wait. For these few quiet moments, you are free of it. Feel how light an open hand is. Nothing to grip, nothing to carry. And with each breath, let yourself settle a little deeper into this ease. This openness is always here, waiting for you, anytime you choose to unclench. The practice is complete. Notice how you feel now, compared to a few minutes ago. Perhaps a little lighter, a little more at ease. Here's what to carry with you. The thing you set down may still be unfinished. It may still be there tomorrow. But you no longer have to hold it in a clenched fist. You can meet your life with an open hand, doing what is yours to do, and releasing what is not. And if these few minutes brought you some calm, you can subscribe, and we'll practice together again soon. In a moment, let your eyes open, slowly, and carry this open hand and this quiet into whatever comes next. May peace find you, and may you remember, you only ever have to carry what is truly yours.